In this quick video, I am going to show you how to change background color in Canva template. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel. So changing the color of background is really easy. First select the canvas, which color you want to change. So I have this one, I need to select it. Then on the top side you will see the option of color wheel. We need to click on it and then it will open a new panel on the left side. Here we can choose the color for our background. If you want to go with the pink one, then select that and the color will change on your background. We can also select any color from here, and in case you want to have any gradient, then there are a couple of gradients as well. You can go with any one and that thing will be applied on your background. If you want to have a custom color, then we'll see this color wheel on the top, so we need to click on it. After that it will give you a bunch of options. If you want a gradient, then under gradient you can choose any color from here. If you want a custom gradient color, then just tap on the color wheel and then you can adjust the gradients according to you. Also you can choose your custom solid color. For that, head over to the solid color section and under it you can choose any color you want and then just hit anywhere else and you can see my color has been changed. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.